Hi guys, it's Siouxbeauty here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing for the first time on my channel. If you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is a $10 monthly subscription. You get 5 travel size makeup products and here we go. Oh my god. It is so beautiful. It's purple, it's pink, it's got this metallicness going on. Let's see what's inside. Ooh. So the first thing I see is an Ofra Cosmetics blush Chameleon. I have gotten Ofra blushes in past subscription boxes and they have performed really well for me, so I am excited. It's a brush. .202 makeup brush. Feels nice. This is Feel Restored Self-Warming Clay Mask. I love clay masks. Oh my god. Feel and look your best, naturally warm skin on application to open pores and clean skin deeply. Ooh, girl. Lightly exfoliate the skin. I cannot wait to try this. Thank you, Ipsy. I love it. Let's see what else I got in here. Oh, it is a Smashbox liquid lipstick. Ooh, it's a nice dark, let's see, give you a little swatch there. See what else we got. Ooh, it's the Pearlie's Coconut Oil Coffee Body Scrub. You definitely cannot wait to try this one. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this Ipsy unboxing. If you'd like to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Helps me see if you guys like this kind of video or not. I do have a BoxyCharm video coming up soon. As soon as I get it, once it gets here, I will show you guys what I got.